Eating food from the fridge can pose serious health risks, especially when items are left too long, leading to spoilage that can cause foodborne illnesses. When perishable items are not consumed within their safe time frame, harmful bacteria grow, which can lead to serious digestive issues or even severe illness. Failing to keep the refrigerator at the right temperature can compromise food safety, allowing bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli to thrive. Understanding the importance of food storage and expiration dates is crucial, as consuming spoiled food can lead to unpleasant and dangerous health outcomes for you and your loved ones. Being informed about food safety practices can help prevent hazardous situations, ensuring that meals remain safe and enjoyable.